Hey there, Gearhead Ultra fam. Today, we're diving into a true automotive icon, the 1934 Ford model, but this isn't just any classic. This beauty's been given a fresh, vibrant twist with some stunning color options. Its vintage style meets modern flair, and we can't wait to show you why this ride is turning heads. The 1934 Ford model was a game changer in its time, and even today, it's a symbol of timeless design. But this version, it's all about celebrating its legacy while adding a splash of personality. Whether you're a collector or a casual enthusiast, these new color schemes give you the chance to stand out. Let's talk about the design. From its signature V-shaped grille to those flowing fenders, every inch of this car screams elegance. The new paint options range from deep metallic blues to fiery reds and even some bold two-tone combinations. They perfectly complement the car's curves and give it a refreshed yet classic vibe. The chrome accents and intricate detailing highlight the craftsmanship that went into this model, reminding us why it remains an all-time favorite. Moving to the interior, you'll find a perfect blend of old-school charm and modern comfort. The handcrafted leather seats, wood-grain dashboard, and retro-style gauges transport you straight back to the golden age of motoring. At the same time, optional upgrades like hidden sound systems and climate control ensure it's just as enjoyable to drive today as it was nearly a century ago. Under the hood, you have options. Purists can stick to the original flathead V8 engine, which delivers that authentic 1930s experience. But if you're looking for a more modern drive, Restomod versions come equipped with updated powertrains, offering better performance and reliability. Either way, this car isn't just a showpiece, it's built to be driven and enjoyed. Now, let's talk price. For a well-preserved original, you're looking at a starting point of around $50,000, depending on condition and rarity. Restored or custom-painted versions like this one can go up to $80,000 or more. It's an investment, but when you consider the history, craftsmanship, and sheer presence of the 1934 Ford model, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think of the colorful twist on this classic ride? Is it a hit or a miss for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gearhead Ultra for more deep dives into iconic cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.